Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. First, open Quick Settings by scrolling from the top of your phone. Now go into Wi-Fi and Settings. Go into your Wi-Fi and click Forget. Now, disable and enable the Wi-Fi after a couple of seconds. And select once again your Wi-Fi and type in the password. And now, as you can see, it is connected, but if it's still not work for you, then try to restart the router and your phone. I unfortunately don't have access to my router right now, so I can't show you, but if you want to, there's probably a video of how to do it on our channel. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.